Just cook it. Just cook it is the trend for mankind. To get a gourmet flair, your palate will never be the same. Chef Anthony is on the scene.
Follow me, yeah. Follow me. I'm hoping.
I was. So where we going, Z?
So, in the local DJ, and trying to find something to cook for dinner tomorrow. Got a couple ideas on leg of lamb, probably get some chicken. Think about jerking the lamb.
Okay.
Yeah, grill it, you feel me?
Okay.
Yeah,
International mashup.
international, you know what's good. Yeah, but you know, jerk is Latin American, Caribbean type style.
Right. With the lamb, though.
Right, with the lamb, though.
Okay.
Yep. So, I called the local BJ's beforehand, and then I was looking for like the leg of lamb with like the bone in it, like like the 10 pounders, but they said they only have the boneless ones, and I don't have to make it do what it do because I'm Chef Zeke,
Because
Chef
that's what you
King,
do.
and that's what I do. So I don't have to make it do what it do. So I'm gonna get a couple of these and just cook them up real quick.
All right.
So, I called the local BJ's beforehand, and then I was looking for like the leg of lamb with like the bone in it, like like the 10 pounders, but they said they only have the boneless ones, and I don't have to make it do what it do because I'm Chef Zeke, Chef King, and that's what I do. So I don't have to make it do what it do. So I'm gonna get a couple of these and just cook them up real quick.
All right. He got to get a good one. He can't just be grabbing any kind of chicken. You got to make sure it's right. What kind of chicken you looking for?
Looking for leg quarters, but like it don't seem like you had it.
All right, we checking out. Stay tuned for the prep and the cook.
Yeah, prep, prepping the night because, jerk, marinate overnight, you feel me? That's how you get the best results.
Marinate overnight. We're making one more stop for the sides. What we getting?
Wait, hold up. Give me lit. Gun on my hip. Welcome to the car.
Oh.
Yeah, we getting sides. So we're going to get potatoes and broccoli. See, potatoes and broccoli, chef? That's what you got? No. I'm going to make with my roasted fried potatoes. I'm gonna roast them and fry them. Put some thyme and salt and a little butter, garlic, and saute them up. And broccoli, same thing, kind of like salt, steam on, a little garlic, But I'm gonna try to do that. And also, I'm gonna get my stuff for my jerk season.
Can't tell y'all too much.
Let me give you insight. My mom's just like, don't jerk my man, But she don't like jerk. Just like she didn't like salmon, so I made the stuffed salmon, which I'm gonna tell y'all about soon. But I'm gonna make her like the jerk salmon because I'm just not gonna do it.
Not just the original jerk, right?
Original jerk, I'm gonna put like a rub and stuff on it with the jerk, not to have that overpowering jerk taste.
Yes.
I'm gonna make even some jerk like y'all gonna watch this video like some jerk.
Okay.
So that's what I do.
Period. Veggies. Can't forget the veggies.
Veggies, yes. So excited.
Press. Cardi.
Alright, excuse noise in the background, At the end of the day, we still a house, stuff still gotta get done. But, I'm just trimming the leg of lamb right now. You don't want too much fat, but also fat enhances the flavor when you slow cook it. Because when you slow cook it and cook on high heat, the fat breaks down and cooks inside the meat. So when you put it on the grill, you want to put it meat side down. So the fat, when it cooks, you want that to melt on top of the meat. So at the end of the day, the fat flavors of meat as well. So that's what I'm doing. But you don't want too much fat. You just want to trim it, a little bit, and that's about it. Yo, it was good. No, but just like I said, there's noise. I'm cooking for a family. I got no time. Still a household going on. But I just had something to talk about. Roasted cinnamon. New. Okay, reason I'm using this, for a marinade. I told you what I'm doing with the lamb. But for a marinade, anytime something's roasted, that means it's taking deep in the flavor. If you take peanuts and you roast it, that means you pulling out the nutty flavor of it to, bring out the nut flavor basically. And that's the same for cinnamon. You bring out the cinnamon to bring out more of the cinnamon flavor and to give it more of a bold flavor, which I feel will be good in the second marinade. So if you have it at your local grocery stores, definitely try this out because I highly recommend it.
What's up next?
Chicken. For the chicken, I'm making a dry rub. You feel me? If you know what a dry rub is, it's like how you wet marinade, acid cool, like acidity, herbs and stuff like that. Dry rub is more the dry basis of the herbs, which when you low cooking stuff or cooking stuff in the grill, it's better for getting a nice crust and crisp and stuff. Especially chicken that you want. You get what I'm saying? You want that nice crisp and crunch on chicken, and dry rub is better for that, especially when you're grilling it. You get what I'm saying? You feel me? God bless. All right. All right, boys. Look at here. Got our chicken going. Down here living it up. I'm joking, but yeah, we got our chicken going right here. We got our lamb over here. It's pretty hot grill. Searing it, but also I have the vents closed. My vents closed right here, and the vents closed right here because as we know, oh, whoa, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, here we go. As we know, when you close vents, it's smothering the heat, so no oxygen going. Because if you keep the vents open, more oxygen going to the fire, the more the fire is going to keep getting hotter and hotter. So I'm gonna close the vents. I got it up to a nice sear, a nice high heat. It was like at 400. I'm gonna close it to smother the heat a little bit, so it can start, getting that internal temperature cooking. So there we go. But yeah, and I got two grills going because I'm just good like that. I got one grill over here, and I got a grill over here. I guess my chicken legs. My chicken legs over here. My chicken thighs over here, along with my lamb. I'm gonna keep y'all posted though. What's good, fam? You see I'm cutting the lamb. You see some pieces right here already I cut up. But I just want to show y'all how when you marinate your meat overnight, you tenderize your meat, how easy it is to cut. I'm just going to show you. Like, I'm not putting no extra effort into it. I want y'all to really pay attention how I'm cutting this. You just take it. I'm just going right through. Nice and tender. And, I grilled it. And I put it in the oven on 375 and let it just, get the internal temperature. If you like medium rare, medium lamb, you could definitely just leave it on the grill and then serve it right away. But since my family like it well done, I put it in the oven for them to let it finish cooking. And it smells fantastic, looks fantastic. Put the camera up here real quick. Whoa, you feel me? Alright, thank you.
Let's see, to show you just how to do your thing. Just cook it, just cook it. Slice it, toss it, sear it, braise it, mince it, cut it, shift and I'll slice it. Just cook it, just cook it. He might be, you may say he's young, but he can teach you how it's done. His passion is felt with every chop. His love is displayed in every bite. Just cook it, just cook it. Slice it, toss it, sear it, braise it, mince it, cut it, ship it, not slice it. Just cook it, just cook it with Chef Anthony and friends.